How to make IPython notebook Matplotlib plot inline. I am trying to use IPython notebook on Mac OS X with Python 2.7.2 and IPython 1.1.0. I cannot get Matplotlib graphics to show up inline. I have also tried %pylab inline and the IPython command line arguments pylab equals inline, but this makes no difference. Instead of inline graphics, I get this. And matplotlib.get_backend shows that I have the module column / /ipython.kernel.cmq.pylab.backend_inline backend.
I used %matplotlib inline in the first cell of the notebook and it works. I think you should try. You can also always start all your IPython kernels in inline mode by default by setting the following config options in your config files.
If your Matplotlib version is above 1.4, it is also possible to use IPython 3.x and above. Older versions. Both will activate the NBAG backend, which enables interactivity.
Ctrl+Enter. Magic Line D. C. Plotting with Matplotlib.
Use the %pylab inline magic command.
To make Matplotlib inline by default in Jupyter, IPython 3. Edit file /.ipython/profile default /IPython. Add line c.interactive_shellup.matplotlib equals inline. Please note that adding this line to IPython config.py would not work. Otherwise, it works well with Jupyter and IPython 3.1.0.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.